Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered, what if it all just vanished? What if, in a single moment, Earth's atmosphere disappeared? Today, we explore a terrifying but fascinating question. If Earth's atmosphere disappeared, a catastrophic reality. The atmosphere, it's invisible, and yet it's everything. A fragile blanket of gases, mostly nitrogen, oxygen, and small amounts of carbon dioxide, wrapped around our planet. It shields us from harmful solar radiation, gives us the air we breathe, and keeps our world at just the right temperature. Without it, life as we know it simply couldn't exist. Our atmosphere has several layers. Closest to us is the troposphere, the place where all weather happens. Rain, wind, clouds, it all starts here. Above that lies the stratosphere, home to the ozone layer. This layer quietly filters out deadly ultraviolet rays from the sun. Without it, sunlight would be fatal. It's a perfect system, delicate, balanced, and irreplaceable. But imagine, one morning, the atmosphere simply vanishes. There's no warning, no time to prepare. In seconds, air pressure drops to zero. Our lungs can no longer breathe. The pressure outside our bodies disappears, and the results are horrifying. Our bodies would begin to swell. Blood would boil, not from heat, but from the lack of pressure. Within moments, life ends. With no atmosphere, Earth is now a dead rock in space, just like the moon. The sun's radiation hits the ground without mercy. In the daytime, temperatures soar. At night, they plummet. The difference? More than 100 degrees. It could be 120 degrees Celsius during the day and drop to minus 150 degrees Celsius at night. Our oceans, frozen. Our plants and animals, gone. Even the sounds of Earth would stop, because sound can't travel in a vacuum. Without the atmosphere, there's no greenhouse effect. That means no way to trap the sun's heat. Earth's average temperature would fall to minus 18 degrees Celsius. Only a few microscopic life forms called extremophiles might survive underground. But for everything else, it would be the end. The blue planet would become a silent, frozen, lifeless world. Now, you may wonder, could this ever happen? Not exactly like that, but our atmosphere is in danger. Since the late 19th century, Earth's temperature has risen by over 1.1 degrees Celsius. And the reason? Us. Burning fossil fuels has filled the air with greenhouse gases, warming our planet, melting ice, and disturbing weather patterns. Bit by bit, we are damaging the very shield that protects us. But it's not too late. We can protect our atmosphere by switching to clean energy like solar, wind, and geothermal. We can drive less, waste less, and use energy wisely. Even small actions like planting trees or supporting climate projects can make a difference. We must act, not just for ourselves, but for the generations that follow. In 2015, leaders from across the world signed the Paris Agreement, a promise to fight climate change together. It reminds us that we are not helpless. Through science, innovation, and cooperation, we can protect this one precious layer around our world. Because if the atmosphere disappeared, there would be no Let's cherish the invisible shield. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Let's spread awareness and protect our planet together.